These are the only three things that you need to hit $20,000 per month cash every single month in your online business. Even $30,000 or $40,000. It is literally just these three things. I can absolutely guarantee it. What's up, guys? I'm Nico Moreno, and you might be wondering, how can I guarantee this, right? How do I know? Well, these are my two Comma Club awards. I've actually done much more in sales than that because I stopped using ClickFunnels like 2 years ago. But anyways, these are each for making $1 million each on the platform of ClickFunnels. And I've also coached hundreds of people. Let me show you right here, just a couple. Coached hundreds of people to make $20,000 per month, $40,000 per month, some even multiple six figures a month, which I know sounds crazy if you're just starting out. So just don't worry about that. That's a little more advanced. But in this video, I'm literally just going to show you the only three things that you should be focusing on if you're making less than 20 grand a month and you want to make 20 grand a month as quick as humanly possible. As you can see right here, Ashley, who's one of my clients and students, she made $21,000 in 1 month since she joined this program. $9,000 in 1 week. All right, this is literally her first month with a brand new offer that I helped her create. Sounds crazy, right? You can literally go from 0 to 20 grand a month in 1 month. Here's David, another one of my clients, and he was doing this for about 4 months. So it took him a little while to get here, but he made 25 grand in 1 day. I mean, most people never even make 25 grand in a quarter, right? So that's pretty impressive. He also made $43,000 in 1 weekend. Oh, I gotta scroll down here. Yeah, right here he says we did over 43 grand for the weekend, and we closed the deals in, he says, in ManyChat, which is one of our automation tools. Anyways, so yeah, I am qualified to show you exactly what these three simple steps are because I've done it for myself, and I've made much more than this in 1 month. And I've also coached a lot of people just like you, or maybe in a similar situation to you, to make this amount of money. So let's just dive right in. I'm going to show you literally the only three things that you need to worry about. You're going to feel actually refreshed and invigorated after you watch this video because you're just going to feel a sense of clarity. There's a lot less things than you think, and the reality is you can start doing all three of these today or this week, and you can be well on your way to hitting 20 grand and more every single month. So let's just dive right in. This is going to be action-packed. And first thing is content, all right? So if you're starting out, then what you should not do is dive right into ads, all right? Maybe this is controversial, but I think ads are really, they're only to add fuel to a fire that is already working, all right? So if you're brand new, you don't know what's already working, all right? You have zero proof that your messaging, that your offer is really even going to work or is even going to convert. So that's why I actually know organic is the easiest way. Organic content is the easiest way for you to get going as a beginner. All right. So what do we need to focus on with content? Let me just make it really, really simple for you. So if you're a beginner who is sub 10K per month, meaning you're making anywhere less than 10 grand a month, these are the only two platforms, really it's one platform, that you want to be focusing on for your content. It is Facebook Wall and Facebook Story. All right, that's literally it. And the reason is because Facebook is very unique in that it offers you a group of features on that one platform that all the other platforms kind of like, they have just a couple of them or just some of them. Facebook has all of them. So one of them is you got your wall, right, where you can post on your wall. You also have your story, and you can also easily start conversations with anyone, and they can start conversations with you from these two places, right? From your wall. It's really, really easy for someone to see a wall post, comment on it, or DM you right away. Same with story. It's easy for people to just message you right away. Now, you might be thinking, okay, Instagram has this too. Well, Facebook is still better and superior because you can kind of have people, you can add people as friends on Facebook, and those people can be targeted leads, and then they will see your content, right? Whereas on Instagram, you're kind of just shooting in the dark. People have to be following you, which if you're brand new, like they're probably might not be following you. They're probably not going to be following you. So it's very, very hard to get attention and traction on Instagram as a brand new beginner. Whereas Facebook, simply you just add people as friends, and that's how you get their attention, and then they literally will just see your content right away. All right. So Facebook I still get like 100 times more leads. I mean, it's crazy. I get maybe not 100 times, but I mean, I get like well over 60 to 70% of my leads and sales just from Facebook wall and Facebook story. And people ask me, Nico, how do you do it? Where do you do it? What's the secret? The secret is simplicity. It's just this, right? I mean, I get a ton of leads just from Facebook story. So this is where you should focus your effort, especially if you're brand new. Even if you're not brand new, I mean, I highly, highly recommend that you get on Facebook story. It's still untapped, and I don't know why more people don't use it, right? So that is why you should just be focusing on these. Don't worry about TikTok. Don't worry about LinkedIn. Don't worry about YouTube. Don't worry about Instagram until you're making more than 10 grand per month, all right? I would even argue until you're making more than 20 grand per month. But those things, that can happen literally overnight anyway. So what you want to do there is you want to focus on belief shifting content and calls to action. So if you don't know what CTAs are, it's a call to action. So it's basically, hey, do you want to learn more? Reach out to me or DM me this keyword and we'll have a conversation about it. This can be whether you're talking about a free training that you're doing or just directly to your offer, all right? And belief shifting content is just anything where you're putting your own unique spin on a problem or a topic that your ideal audience might be struggling with or suffering with. So for example, this is belief shifting content that I'm creating for you right here, right? You know, because there's all these different people out there who are telling you, hey, if you want to make 10 grand, 20 grand a month, like you got to run ads, you got to scale, you got to build a big team. I mean, you literally don't need any of that. I make way more than 20 grand a month every single month with no ads and like essentially no team. Like it's super easy if you just focus on these couple things, right? So that's step number one is content. So let's get back over here. All right, so now we know that the first of the things that you need is content, all right? So let's just get into the second thing is conversions, all right? So what is a conversion? A conversion is where you convert someone from a passive scroller or a passive viewer, a passive follower of your content into someone who is going to either have a phone call with you or actually just buy one of your products, right? So convert could mean a couple different things depending on the contents, but really depending on the context. But really, what we're talking about is turning a social media follower into a customer, like that's actually giving you money and going through your program or paying for your offer. So how do we turn people into, or how do we convert people? It is very, very, very simple, right? So the way that we convert people is if you are a beginner, you just want to have a good script built out. Now, I have a script template, and basically what I mean is like a script that you type X, they reply with Y, and you reply with Z, right? It's just very formulaic. You follow it, and then ultimately, if they're a good fit, this will lead to a sale. If they're not a good fit, it will just weed them out, right? You don't want to be working with everyone. But what you need is you want to follow a script, right? Very, very simple. And the reason you need to do this at the beginning, again, you cannot just run ads to a landing page and pray that it'll work, because it won't work. It won't. You have to learn the fundamentals first. All right, like it might take you 14 days, might take you 30 days, might take you 60 days to kind of just build that muscle memory of learning the fundamentals of how to sell your offer. But again, if you work with me one-on-one, and what I do with all my clients is we get a script going for them. I've got a template that works great for literally any offer in any niche, and then we'll fine-tune it to just work specifically for your offer and for your niche. So that you just have something to work off. You could just copy paste it. Super simple. But there's no shortcuts, all right? You have to learn the fundamentals of sales and of selling your own offer. Otherwise, you're forever doomed. So just put in the work up front. I can guarantee you it's really not that hard. It's actually it's a formula, all right? But you got to learn, you got to put in the work, and you got to master having conversations that convert with people. Once you do, you can literally feed yourself and your family, for the rest of forever. It is super, super simple. Now I got it wired in because I've been doing this like 6, 7, 8 years. So that's kind of the main thing. If you're a brand new beginner, you got to get a script going where you can just plug it in, churn it out, and get sales. Once you do that, you can also use AI chatbots with your script that you know is already working to generate automated sales. So this is how some of my clients generate, multiple six figures per month. It's by using AI chatbots, which are automated versions of the conversation that we already know converts, and short form webinars, which I also can teach you how to do inside my more advanced program. And this also leads to automated sales too. But you got to get the language and the messaging kind of proven. You got to know that it's converting. And the only way you can do that is by using a script, right? So you got to master the fundamentals first, and then you can plug it in to get automated sales later. So that's it. You just focus on what you can focus on right now, which are, again, if you're a brand new beginner, it's just getting a script and just practicing the script on leads, and you'll see what converts and you'll refine it over time. Again, I can help you do this. I can help you shortcut it, but that's really the gist of it. And then final thing, once you get that going, really the last piece is clients. I know it sounds simple. That's because it is simple, again, because most people just overcomplicate everything. So next, what you got to do once you convert someone into a paying client, they give you their money. Now, literally, your only job at that point with them is to just focus on their success, right? Because their wins are your wins too, right? I mean, it's true. If you're a coach, if you're a service provider, like when your client wins or gets an exciting result or has success, those are also your wins because you were a part of that. You helped them, right? Plus, that's going to help you grow your business as well, because what happens when they win big? Well, they will start being loud on social media. They'll start posting about you. They will start talking about you. They'll start making referrals without you even asking. This is actually what happened with one of my very first clients, Tanner Chittister, if you guys know of him. I have a bunch of videos and screenshots and stuff of him. Like, basically, this whole formula that we talked about changed his life completely. The first week we worked together, he made like 12 grand. And from then on, he literally just started talking about me a bunch. And eventually he scaled to 500 grand a month within 1.5 years, which that's a crazy transformation that will not happen to everybody. And yes, that takes more than just these three things here, but it's because he mastered the fundamentals first, right? So then you're going to start getting a lot of testimonials, a lot of social proof for your offer and for yourself and for your business and for your personal brand. And then it's just a flywheel from there. The more you get, like, the more people reach out to you and the more people want to become your client. The more people become your client, the more wins, they're getting, and the more wins, social proof and testimonials and feedback you're getting. And then it just balloons from there. Then it becomes easier and easier and easier, right? But you got to start with fundamentals, and you got to master the basics first, all right? Plus, this builds your confidence too. Once you know that you've seen like 5 or 10 clients like succeed with your system, it's so much easier to sell it because you know that it's not just something that maybe you've done, but you've confidently helped other people and led other people to do it too. All right, so that's really it. Those are the 3 things. And again, stop trying to overcomplicate it. Like I've said before, these are literally the only 3 things. Sorry, I'm kind of, this is a little bit of a weird drag and drop system, but these are literally the only 3 things that you need to hit 20 grand a month every single month in your online business, or even $30,000 or $40,000 per month. Literally, it is the same. Once you get beyond that, then yes, you will need more. That is okay. But hey, this video for you if you want to hit the 20 to 40K per month range. Okay. So again, stop overcomplicating it. This truly is literally all you need to do, okay? And in fact, I think probably the most difficult thing is going to be avoiding everything else and stop overcomplicating it and just focusing on these 3 things. Like, that's literally the only hard part because you're constantly just slammed against the wall with so many different, ads and stuff saying like, oh, this is the secret. No, this is the secret. No. Those are not the secret. Like, the secret is simplicity, all right? This is it. If you want my help, if you want to get, results like all the clients that I just showed you before, click the link down below and I will show you how you can implement this plan right away and start getting results like this. All right. Again, 21 grand in a month because she focused on simplicity, 9K in a week, 43 grand in 1 weekend just because he mastered the basics. All right. So if you guys want results like that, click the link down below, or you can also just DM me and you can ask about it. You can say, hey, can I have the free training that you're talking about in this video? And I will gladly send it over to you. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. This is Nico Moreno. Again, keep it simple. You can hit 20 grand a month or more with just these 3 things.